Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token. Tectonic token prepares for a big pump very soon. Remember that they just celebrated their 1-year anniversary. Now, when you take a look at Tectonic in the past 1 year, of course, we can conclude that Tectonic actually did well because Tectonic deleted zero, which is about 1000%. Also, remember, if not for the crypto coins that have been dropping, Tectonic would have ended the year hitting over 2000% for the first year. And I believe if they continue this way, of course, we are going to expect a massive pump very soon in 2023. And consider the fact that this coin just got only 3 exchanges that have listed this coin. Among these 3, we only have 2 top exchanges, which is crypto.com that hosted this coin and VVS Finance. Poor Kansas City is a small exchange, but of course they're also contributing. But we're hoping that in 2023 this coin is going to rise because even the developers themselves have promised the holders that we are going to expect a massive listing in 2023. Though we are expecting more than 3 to 5 top exchanges to list Tectonic token. And once Tectonic token get massive listing, we are going to see a pump. Tectonic token is going to increase, and I believe 2023 is going to be a better year for not just Tectonic token but cryptocurrency in general. And I believe, of course, BTC can hit back to $67,000 it was last year November, and I believe before the end of next year we might be seeing BTC hitting back at 67,000 or over $67,000. Let's hope that Tectonic token will hit a massive increase in price in 2023. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision.